Welcome to this week's legislative report. Legislative committees continue to hold hearings on introduced legislation this week. All hearings, except for those on bills assigned to the Judiciary Committee, will wrap up at the end of next week. The Judiciary Committee was given an extra week for hearings due to the large number of bills assigned to them. Clerks of the District Court and NACO appeared before the Judiciary Committee to oppose LB 102, a bill that would transfer ex officio clerks of the District Court to the state, and if a vacancy occurs in the office of elected clerk of the District Court, or the elected clerk decides not to run again, the county board could shift the office to the state. Proponents from the court administrator's office said that the bill was not a criticism of clerks of the district court or ex officios, but a method to provide improved efficiency in courts and to support judges. 64 letters in opposition were submitted by clerks of the district court, both individually and as a group, by clerks in judicial districts, and by county boards. A bill heard by the Government, Military, and Veterans Affairs Committee would change the way counties and public bodies charge for public records. Existing law prohibits charges for staff and official salaries for the first 4 cumulative hours of searching, identifying, physically redacting, or copying public records, and does not allow for attorney fees. LB 557 would increase the 4-hour window to 8 hours for residence requests. It would allow non-residents to be charged for salaries from the first hour of research, and it could include proportional charges for attorneys' fees to review the records. LB 557 would also list law enforcement body camera footage as a public record that could be disclosed to the public. NACO testified in opposition to LB 557. A separate bill, LB 236, would allow counties to authorize carrying concealed weapons without a state-issued concealed carry permit. An amendment was offered that would allow counties to enact such an ordinance after receiving advice and counsel from the sheriff. Proponents expressed concerns that it's cost prohibitive to obtain a concealed carry permit and framed it as a Second Amendment rights issue. Senator Tom Brewer introduced the bill with 3 co-signers. 5 senators have added their names to the bill since it was introduced. Committees continue to meet in executive sessions and send bills to the full legislature, including bills to prohibit counties from enacting measures to prohibit short-term rentals, such as Airbnb, to create new processes for reviewing complaints about the One Call Act, and to provide an income tax exemption for military retirement benefits. These bills were placed on general file. General file is expected to begin next week.